Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about vlookup, which is a very important function in Excel. So the syntax is vlookup, the formula function name, then lookup value, what we want to find. Table array is the group of cells from which we want to find our lookup value, and column index number is the numeric value that which column index we want to search for, and range lookup. This plays a very important whether we want exact match or we want approximate match. And if we don't provide this last argument range lookup, then by default it is approximate match and the results won't be uh, accurate. So beware of this thing. So now let's talk about usage. So here in this table we have employee ID, employee name, department, salary. I want to find these are the names according related to this. I want the department values from this left-hand table. So here Bob is belonging to IT department. So let me use the VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. This value I want to find Bob into this place. Suppose uh, whatever I am finding, it should be the first cell. Finding for Bob. I'm searching for Bob. So it should be the first common cell should be the first one. And the value which we want that should be part of this table because I want to get the value of department. So select this much data, press. Now here I've selected two columns. One is for name and second is for department. I want department names. Uh, I want values from department column, which is column number 2 in this selection. So press F4 to fix this range. Then press 2 because we want column index 2. And here we'll see when press comma, then we see this option exact match, which is for false. So simply highlight this one by pressing the down arrow key and pressing the tab key to select it. Then press enter. Excel will automatically be closing this formula. So see, Bob is in IT company. Similarly, if I drag this formula from top to the bottom, it will get me the results. David is in marketing department. Alex was not there in this list, so it is showing hash a name is not applicable. So this is how we use VLOOKUP. Next is score example. So sometimes we don't have exact values. We have partial values like rather than searching for 10, 20, 30, student may be scoring 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 marks. So here we use the last argument as true. And for this, we have to arrange our data into this uh, in a sorted manner. And these are the marks and these are the grades which I'm going to fill. So here this means if my value is starting from 0 greater than equal to 0 and is less than 50, then the grade should be fail. Similarly, here we find for if the value is greater than equal to 50 and but less than 60, then the grade should be bad. Likewise, so these are my marks which the students have scored in their subject. So let's grade them. So 49.5. So it should be fall into this category because it is starting from 0 but it is less than 50, so it should show as fail. Similarly 52 is in this range because it is greater than 50 but less than 60, so it should be bad. So let's see how this goes. Similarly here this means greater than equal to 100 and above. So let me use the VLOOKUP function here is equal to VLOOKUP. We are going to look for marks. This is the marks which the student have obtained. So we have to search in this table array, fix this pressing by pressing F4. Now we want grades, which is in column number 2, to be there. And this is the most crucial thing which we need to observe. It should, because we have to here we need true for approximate match, because a student can score any marks like 10.1, 10.2, etc. So it is not exact match, it is approximate match. So select it, press a tab key, press enter to close the braces. So see here 49.5 is fail. Similarly, if I drag this formula from top to the bottom, I shall be getting the results. 52. 52 is in this range, is bad. 60 is average. 60 is average. 120. 120 is anything greater than 100 is excellent. So this is excellent. Here if I change any value to, uh, suppose I change it to 65, 65, then it will be showing as average. Lastly, we are going to look, so far our VLOOKUP formula only gives us the top, only one value. If we have multiple values, then how we get them? This is what we are going to learn now. So this is my data that these are server names. So this is server 1, server 1. Here the drives are C, D, E, F, and this is my server 9. Here my drives are X, Y, Z. So let's take this. Suppose I want to get all the drives which are belonging to server 1. Let's see how we can get the results in one formula. So we are going to look up for exact values. So what I am going to do is, rather than using VLOOKUP, I'm going to use a formula. So I'll type is equal to if this thing, the server list contains is equal to this server value. Now what I want corresponding drive for these servers. So here I select this one, and if this is not, the server name is not matching, then let's print blank. Close the braces. See, we have got all the results C, D, E, F. But now we want that these results should be put into single cell. Here the values are coming in different cells. What I can do is I can use text join function. I want to join, uh, separate each value with comma. So mention this comma value in this double quotes. Ignore empty. Yes, because they will be blanks also at some places. I want to ignore them. So let it be true. Then give it the text from this to this, whatever. So now you see I've got the results for in a single cell only C, D, E, F. Had this been my server 9, the results would have been X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z are the results. And to format this formula so we can get the results in the same place only, what I can do is simply copy this formula, simply copy this formula from here and place it into this. Now I can cut this formula from here, place it here. You see server 1 are these are the drives available, and for server 9 the values are, let me fix this range F4. So this is how our vlookup function works. Thank you for watching the video.